After the iPhone 16 series, the Samsung Galaxy S25 range is the next significant smartphone debut on our radar. Although we won't see it until January, a new render has provided us with a sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Android headlines and Leaker on Leaks have put together some renders of what the next flagship may look like. These fresh images, one of which you can see here, indicate a design that's pretty similar to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra but with more rounded corners. While we've seen unauthorized renders of the Galaxy S25 Ultra previously, this is the first time we're getting a look from so many various perspectives. In addition, the renders demonstrate that all four sides of the S25 Ultra are flat, unlike the S24 Ultra's slightly curved edges. According to Ice Universe, although these renders provide a fair concept of what the Galaxy S25 Ultra may look like, they are not entirely accurate. One of the most important questions is how the camera rings will be built. The renders provide a suggestion at what the rings may look like, but nothing has been formally confirmed. The camera positioning is correct, but the surrounding design is still unknown. There are also a few small errors in the renders, particularly with the bezel and metal frame. While they aren't major flaws, they are something to consider if you're looking closely at the images. Fans and prospective purchasers should keep in mind that these renders are just preliminary versions, not the final product. On another front, Android News and Leaks have provided some specifications with the renders, indicating that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra would weigh in at 219 grams, which is lighter than the 232-gram Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and the 227-gram iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is also believed to feature the same 6.8-inch display as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but will be significantly smaller in size. There's still plenty of time, and more leaks are likely to follow. We're looking at a launch for the Galaxy S25 series in January 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.